All right, guys, so it's the first quiz is under our belts now, and I wanted to show you how you can kind of check your scores. So if you head over to Schoology, you can see your grade. So like this person right here got a 5 out of 10. And then you also can see the problems that you got right and wrong. So if you see a 1 out of 1, that means you got it right. And then if I drop down here, like this one right here, number 3, 0 out of 1, which means that this person got this problem wrong. Now, what I did not do is release also the correct answers. So if you are confused as to maybe why this is wrong, what I would prefer for you to do would be to, I guess, self-assess and check and try to figure out the correct answer yourself. Or you can contact me and we can chat about it. So like that one, like this one right here, kind of most likely you didn't, well, this person picked these two, which are actually side, angle, side. So then if you keep scrolling down here, this one said this was angle, side, angle, probably because there were 2 angles marked, but you have that shared side there. So this should really be angle, angle, side. Now these ones that are worth 2 points. So you're going to look here. This person got 0 out of 2, which means this was wrong and this was wrong. The first part being wrong usually means that they did not go in the correct order. Like they said that angle O and angle N correspond, but actually angle O and angle M correspond. So this one, that's why that one would be wrong, is you've got to pay attention to the order. And then this would be wrong because it's the incorrect, this actually would be side, angle, side. So this one's a little bit easier to know that you got both of them wrong. So for number 7 here, this one, the person got 1 out of 2, which means one of these is right and one of them is wrong. On future quizzes or tests, anything that you take in Schoology, I will be specifying which one is right or wrong, but I wanted to release your scores to you as soon as possible so that you could review them. So I did release the scores, they're there. So if you go back and let's say you're not happy with your score, they are in, they're in student view now. If you're not happy with your grade the way it is now, there will be a retake posted. I probably will post it tomorrow. That retake also will be for those who may have missed the first go around. The retake's your only option at this point because you missed the first quiz. Any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out.